how to link Riot ID with Xbox Game Pass. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Riot Games account to your Xbox Game Pass. If you follow the steps properly without skipping, you'll get it done easily, so let's get started. Now, there are two ways you can do this, either from the Riot Games website directly or through the Riot Games launcher. But the launcher will just redirect you to the same website. So once you're logged into your Riot account, just head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, click on Settings or Account Management. It'll take you to the Riot Account Settings page. From there, find the tab that says Connected Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, Apple, Google, and Facebook. Now, since we're linking Xbox Game Pass, just click on Xbox. It'll redirect you to the Microsoft login page. Just sign in with your Microsoft account that's connected to your Xbox Game Pass. Once logged in, give the permission to link the accounts. And that's it, your Riot account is now successfully connected to Xbox Game Pass. Now you'll get access to all the benefits like exclusive skins, rewards, and whatever perks come with the connection. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.